guys, how you doing?
Any firearms and drones, man?
I got like a machete in the back and stuff, some camping stuff. Not really.
What do you mean, not really?
No, we don't have anything like that.
Just, I just need you to open the side door here in the back for me.
Sure. I have to pay.
Just keep going. Just keep proceeding. We passed security and now we're going in, I believe, right?
Yeah, as far as I know.
Yeah, I was just letting them know. So
They said not to be here past 9 o'clock.
Okay.
I told them we were just traveling through.
It's only 6:14, so we're good.
Go up here to this bridge, scenic view real quick, and then we can drive over the dam.
Okay.
And I think we might have some restrooms up here because
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
you know, that's a good place to park right there. Right there now, all that nice shade. Okay. Rules for visitors: stay on paved walkways. Do not disturb rocks, plants, or animals. Do not climb on hillsides, walls, or railings. Do not skate or bike within this facility. Do not leave children unattended. Well, I'm leaving my children unattended. Hopefully Jesse can take care of Matthew, because all the way up to the top of this to look at this scenic thing. And I don't think Matt's going to do that very well. It's pretty warm and stuff. No visitor amenities. Heat kills. Never leave pets or children in vehicle. Drink plenty of water. I left my children in my vehicle, but the vehicle is on. The AC is running because I got that fixed. And they got all the waters. Discover Hoover Dam, explore American icon. I'll just leave this on here for all y'all. I don't need to read all this. You can pause the video. Breaking the bottleneck. Hoover Dam has been a magnet for tourists and their cars from the earliest years of its construction. Feel free to pause and read all this. America's finest. Pat Tillman died a warrior. Michael Callahan lost a leg in combat, but is better known for the battles he fought in the political arena. They were good citizens, two of America's finest. Design decisions. Planning and designing the Memorial Bridge took 2 years, during which multiple options for its future were considered. Pause to read. Step by step. For the record. Worthy of the neighborhood. Ladies. This is the Mike O'Callahan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge in memory of Sherman Jones, who lost his life during the construction, and dedicated by Iron Workers Local 416. So, you guys probably don't want to hear me huffing and puffing. I'm going to pause this bad boy, and in 1 second for you all, I'm going to be at the top. Well, 1 second for y'all, an eternity for me. I can't read it. Excuse me. the first time I've seen a clear blue sky this whole trip. So I'm just going to walk just a tiny bit further, and then I'm going to show you the Lake Mead being held back, and how far down it goes in the water and everything.
Yeah, you just gotta time it right.
Very arid, dry. I'm sweating a little bit, but it's waking away pretty quick. This seems like a pretty good area to be at. So here's Lake Mead. You see a boat way out there. You can see some vehicles going across the bridge right now. There's a bus. Semi just went across that thing, and the whole bridge is just vibrating. I can feel the whole thing thrumming. That's it. It's insane. The scope of magnitude of that dam and the lives lost building it and everything. But I am going to pause this, and then hopefully we'll get a little bit of this video of us going over the bridge. Let's see here in another second. I figured I'd share this real quick. Parking lot we're parked in. See if we can see the van down here. Put them in a nice little shady spot. It's too bright up here. Alright, I'll be back.
Oh, the sun's right in the middle of it.
It's alright. We're getting ready to go over the dam now. I'm going to drive over the dam, and I don't know. I think we might go drive over by Area 51 or something, Groom Lake, and then we'll start heading across Arizona. Railroad trail to the left, which is something we're not going to be doing.
Yeah.
It was like thrumming. All these noises. Okay. I guess this is gonna take a second. place to park there if you were going to go out and walk, but it's all closed down right now. I don't think that you can go in there, but there's a statue of one of the guys that was working on the dam there. It's all very beautifully made. Very modern. We got some sphinxes up here on the left. I wonder if these are the balls that have a little bit of water under them that actually move. They kind of levitate on the ball.
I don't know. That'd be cool though.
We're going across the largest speed bump in the history of speed bumps. Down there. I know they used to be able to do tours where you could go down and see the turbines and all the different things and stuff. But I don't know if that is a tour that is a comprehensive thing that you got to pay for. If you look that way a little bit, you can see, I guess that was a water line at one time where the white is. You can see how far down the water level is fallen over these last few years where they've had all this drought and stuff in here. Something's going on with Lake Mead. It's slowly draining. It's not, it's been draining so much that they're like finding bodies from back in the 70s of people disappeared, probably under nefarious circumstances. I think they also found a vehicle or two that still had the occupants in it after the water's receded so far. Like a golden elevator.
Sure, I couldn't see it.
No pedestrians beyond this point. Pause this real quick, and then if we see anything else of note, we will turn it back on. If not, we're just going to jet on out of here and head on to the next spot. Also, that was it. We just crossed into Arizona. That was my 48 states. I only got Alaska and Hawaii left now, so I guess that's a milestone, right? We'll see if there's anything up this way. If not, this will be the end of the video. Love y'all. Bye. I don't know if y'all can see that up there, but there is a little rock hut where people can look out. I'm sure that it's just so they can spy on people and make sure that they're not up to any bad things or whatever. And this is the upper parking lot after the dam. We're gonna sit here real quick. I'm gonna end this video. We're going to put in Area 51. There's a helicopter pad there. Going to throw in Area 51 real quick, and then we are going to take off. So that's it for the Hoover Dam, everybody. That's it for Vegas. That's it for